Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S12 and highlighting some important things that you need to know before buying. So the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S12 comes with a sleek, compact design that blends well with any home decor. It's lightweight and easy to carry around, and the build quality feels solid, ensuring durability over time. The S12 is equipped with a powerful motor that delivers strong suction, making it effective at picking up dirt, dust, and pet hair. It is designed to handle various floor types from carpets to hardwood and transitions smoothly between them. One of the standout features of S12 is its intelligent navigation system. It uses sensors to map your home and clean efficiently without bumping into furniture or getting stuck. The vacuum also has multiple cleaning modes, including a spot clean mode for concentrated areas. The battery life on the Xiaomi S12 is decent, offering up to 90 minutes of cleaning on a full charge. When the battery runs low, the vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock. However, compared to some higher-end models, the battery life might seem a bit short, especially for larger homes. The vacuum can be controlled with the help of the Xiaomi Home application. This allows you to start or schedule the cleanings, set cleaning zones, and monitor the vacuum's progress. The app is user-friendly and makes managing the vacuum simple and convenient. So, in a nutshell, if I talk about its pros and cons, then I can tell you that the pros includes the strong suction power, efficient navigation system, multiple cleaning modes, easy to control with the help of application, compact and lightweight designs. The cons include the battery life could be longer, large advanced features like automatic dirt disposal is missing. It may struggle with very thick carpets. So, before purchasing the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S12, you need to consider the size of your home and your specific cleaning needs. The S12 is a great option for smaller to medium sized home, but if you have a larger space or very thick carpets, you might need a vacuum with more power and long battery life. So, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S12 is a solid choice for those who are looking for an efficient and budget-friendly robot vacuum. It's easy to use, does a good job on most surfaces, and offers a great value to its price. However, be mindful of its limitations, particularly in terms of battery life and carpet cleaning performance. So, if you found this review helpful, then don't forget to like, comments, and subscribe for more this type of review. Thank you so much for watching.